I can send you the link. Okay. So the super app technique or super app technology, okay, nowadays is very popular. After WeChat, for example, and government Chinese government is managing more than 1 billion to 200 million population with this app. This app WeChat is managing, as I told you, like it has more than 250 MiniApps, okay, in different fields. All the things. The Chinese citizen, he is very keen about his ID in WeChat more than his personal ID. It's very important for him to not because everything is clear in front of Chinese government through that WeChat. Also, for example, Elon Musk, when he bought the Twitter, the first reportage he told that I'm aiming that Twitter will be super app in that. And the things right now is getting more familiar with super app technique. After success of mall industry and all-in-one techniques, so super app is getting very popular now. For that, this for super app technique. Let me also. Okay. Now, our operational strategy, we divided in Kemedar, we have two strategies for the work. The first one is automation in every process. I want to tell you that we make automation of all the operations in our system. Why? Because our main goal is to be in different countries, and we cover as much as we can from the countries all over the earth. That's why we make automation for all the things. For example, we have automation for and this important strategy that content coming from users. That's why Facebook and social platforms, for example, is getting very good success. Why? Because there is no bottleneck in the operation. The content itself coming from the users. That's why all of our system is peer-to-peer. Okay, our peer-to-peer. The users are able to add the content. We, as a Kemedar company, don't add content. We just control the content. This is very important strategy. And automation of the process. Like you see in the chatbot and chat program we have and support, we try to make it as less as, in human, we try to make it very less operation on the human. So we have all the technology working for us, and we have minimum of employees and human managing this operation. Good. That's why is very important strategy. This is the first one. Second one, our system is synergy between online and offline. We are not online only. No, we are. We have synergy between offline and online operation. And to achieve that, we have to make partnerships with people on the ground. Okay, that's why we rely on franchise system and partnership system who are covering the areas according all for the country. For example, we have in Egypt, for example, we have 420 areas. These 420 areas are covered with and exclusively managed on the ground with 420 area manager or franchise owners or partner inside each area. Okay, so he do all operations on the on the ground on the ground, and we are supporting him with technical support with online presence, with digital data, with mass marketing, with all communications. Okay, so we give him the all experience about online and digital and so, and he already doing the operation on the ground. So this synergy is very unique system in our platform. We are not just online business. We are synergy, as I told you, between online and offline. That's why we are touching the market on the ground. And you will see in many systems, we make like digital transformation for the operation. You understand me? Not the vice versa. This is very important. We do the digital transformation for the well-settled real estate from the history. The man, when he created, he think in home before food. So it's very very old industry. That's why we just make digital transformation for that industry. This is the second operation strategy in our system. This data room, I will go very in 8 minutes. I will go to I sent you some links. These links,
yes,
I will go to this all of that in one video, so you can just have like 1 second for each file you can reach in our data room. So just in 1 second, you can just focus on the screen, and I will also make a voiceover so for you can see what is inside, so you can understand. If you need any document from that, you just go and open. And I will send you the password on the for some encrypted files. I will send you the password.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. No, this. Okay, just 1 second. I have to share my screen. Okay, just. Okay, I will share my screen now. Just because I got just. As you can see my screen, right?
Yes, I can.
Here you can go to, you can go to kemudo.com, and here you can see all the apps you can, in this menu, you can see all the apps, okay? And go to the, for each apps, we have 28 apps, as I told you. So you can see all the apps. Here it's Kemetro, for example. Here is KemiWork, okay, KemiWork. And here is Kemicademy as a training platform for real estate industry, okay, and all the workers inside, okay. And here is Kemerit. Kemerit is a fractional investment platform for real estate industry, okay. And here is KeyManage. KeyManage system is property management system. It's connecting tenants with owners with property management companies. And KemiPromo is discount platform for real estate. And Kemibid is auction platform for real estate. And this Kemi News is a news platform for real estate. And this Kemi Card to generate business digital card. And Kemi Tour is touring to generate a VR or virtual tour for real estate. And this Kemi Rent, like Airbnb and Booking. Kemi Event to event organization, to make event organization for that. And here also assisting apps. There are some assisting apps. Here you can find the menu also in the apps. You can see the Doringa app for managing ad space, and the affiliate program to managing. And Taratish is mass emailing and SMS, and file management system is Cedronella file management system. And this also another future in the future plan to make an idea about outstanding project for developers. Okay, and fintech, we have integrating our apps with fintech crowdfunding platform is Ribano. is crowdfunding platform to make it easy for the people to make crowdfunding on their project, and this integrated with a wallet like PayPal. Exactly, it's our development is Exceed Wallet. Okay, to make transactions between money is very easy. And this data room you can see in the media and data room of investment and investors. You can see here draft agreement and stock agreement, and these agreements and some resources in Arabic, but there are also the same in English. Okay. Is all the managing document and HR document, HR plan, and this organization chart for the plan, organization chart for the company, and each office how to manage, and this is the business plan of Kemedar. Okay, brief business and investment platform. This competitive analysis you can see here and in another place also. Kemedar managerial and HR plan, as I told you, and the organization chart here. Okay, you can see HR plan here, and here is the cap table of Kemedar. Here is investment strategy and investment, and this about founder and some photo galleries. And here is detailed business presentation and business plan presentation. Okay, and here is pitch deck in 10 slides, just 10 slides, and this supporting document and company document in America and in other countries. We have multiple companies, so this is the supporting documents for that, and this marketing plan for it shows, and this the innovation for 40 innovative products. And this why Kemedar is super app. This Proptech and Kemedar, blockchain and Kemedar, presentation in each point. This is very important. Kemicoin, and this is how employment and recruitment in Kemedar also. And this Kemedar business plan overview is very for how to make it very fast in the database and connection between database MySQL and MongoDB. Here you can see also is brochures you can see in 20 languages. We have more than 100-page brochure with all details about Kemedar to make customer and partner education. You can see in multiple languages. You can see Urdu, you can see Japanese, Chinese, Indian, all Hindi, all. And also these free services, some brochures also separate, like super, why it's a super, and ecosystem of Kemedar, why and the professional benefits, register as some forms also here you can see. I'm just, as I told you, 1 second for each so you can understand what's inside. Okay, and here is employee education, and why Kemedar is good choice for good employees. Here also is competitive analysis. This is very important file. I want you to check that. Very important. Why? Because this competitive analysis is very rich, and we have 106 point, and the other competitors, the best one is getting 48 point. And here Proptech, what is Proptech and why Kemedar is very important. Proptech here in global, and 40 also here you can see some about Kimodo itself. You can see here in technology and customers, and every page is supported with video, detailed video inside, and you can see the benefit for all the ecosystem. Here apps, as I told you, plan and invest, how to invest, investment strategy and everything. And partners also, we have very sophisticated partner education files and video, so every partner can understand what's Kemedar and everything, every details about Kemedar and so. And here also the partner registration and how to open office in your area, and like this, all the things very detailed, so he can understand what's going on and what's he should do in details. Okay. And here, a strategy of HR also, so you can see the people and also some information about our vested stock program, which, effort for equity. This is very important also to have road and growth according partnership model. Here also is a recruitment model. We have more than 100 positions, and each 100 position is stated in Kemedar. So everybody is getting all the things inside. Okay, here also managerial systems. Managerial system, we have here, for example, we have more than 45 servers or 65 servers for mass emailing. We can send mass emailing up to 1 million emails per day. And this, our ERP system, you can see here, all our ERP in for Egyptian office. And this, for example, this, the getting the job will be published, and we have more than 1,000 applicants right now, 1,200, and these employees in Egypt, and these employees in our office in East Asia. This very fast. I'm sorry to be very very fast.
No, it's fine.
It is important because I need you to understand the things, or you know how the data room it getting information. Okay. So let me go very fast for Kemedar apps. Okay, one by one. Everyone we will give it 10 seconds video, 10 seconds video to show you what is inside. And each video, as you can see, as you will see, it has screen record from the video from the app itself, so you can understand it how it works. Okay, just 1 second.
Kemedar Proptech. Our primary platform serves as the cornerstone of all our systems. It empowers users to buy and sell real estate, manage their property listings, and explore millions of properties worldwide using groundbreaking techniques introduced for the first time in the real estate market through our system.
Okay. This, if you need more clarification about any app, you can stop me and ask. Okay.
Okay. No, thank you.
Okay.
Metro. It is a comprehensive commercial marketplace in which factories and merchants display all products related to the house, from building and finishing to furnishing it. Kemedar users can compare products and prices and buy them easily with a credit card or other payment methods.
Okay.
Kemiwork. Kemiwork system provides the service of finishing real estate tasks in all specializations of finishing and decoration, and all that the house needs in terms of specialization, starting from the lawyer for writing contracts and even the decoration and landscape company in a very easy way. By communicating with certified specialists and finishing companies trusted by their competence and honesty, according to their evaluation from other visitors who have tried their services before.
Kemedar auction. This comprehensive system seamlessly showcases real estate through an auction format, overseeing the entire auction process from its initiation to its conclusion.
As I told you, all the system is peer-to-peer. Means that, for example, if you want to offer your property as in the bidding system, is very easy to make it easy for that. And this is for the first time, by the way. And super app technique also, it's the first. There is super app in real estate industry, by the way, globally. There is no super app technique like this all over the world. Okay.
Kemerate Investment Portal is a portal specialized in organizing participatory co-investment in real estate that generates monthly income. Investors in this system are interested in purchasing a property that generates monthly or annual income, and not in investing by reselling this property.
Here, this Kemedar is for the first time, it's a fractional investment platform, but it connects with blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is very, very important. And we make it very, very sophisticated system, which utilize blockchain technology in dividing the equity of real estate and equity of the profit also. Okay.
Can manage property management solutions that ensure maximum profitability and peace of mind for our clients. From comprehensive tenant screening to proactive maintenance and efficient rent collection, we are dedicated to make you managing your assets in the most perfect way. Partner with us and watch your real estate investments.
Yeah. Okay. This key manage. Just 1 second, please. Yeah. Sorry. Okay.
Kemedar. Introducing a tailored system exclusively designed for Kemedar users, enabling them to effortlessly craft immersive virtual tours using augmented reality for their real estate and projects. This innovative feature streamlines presentation and elevates the visual engagement for potential buyers exploring the property or project webpage in Kemedar.
The good thing here is we are the second app which allow the normal user using the normal phone with panorama image to turn this panorama image to VR or to AR, augmented reality tour. So this is after Zello, we have that app. It's very easy, and the good thing also it's connected with all the other apps. It's integrated with it. So he need that AR in Kemibed, it's okay. Kemirit, okay. Any app he can integrating that AR tour of his property to that app.
Chem Academy aims to elevate the expertise and professionalism of everyone involved in the real estate sector, from skilled professionals and technicians to marketers and freelancers. We also offer tailored programs for real estate dedicated training programs for the younger generation.
Yeah, very good. Here you can. Kim Event also is organization platform, event organization platform, which get the event organizer with normal people, and event organizer can add his QR code, for example, for the event, ticketing system to add tickets, whatever it was, free ticket or paid ticket, no problem. Also, this Kim event can handle online events or offline events, from meeting of the company, anything, whatever it was meeting. So Kim event can, in real estate, Kim event can manage this very easily. So event organizer, so whatever he was CEO for company or something, or event organizer in a company, he can add his event in less than 10 minutes. Kemedar is still
the harmonious community is to efficiently collaborate on renovating, rejuvenating, and enhancing older structures. This initiative fosters a spirit of cooperation, leading to the formation of a unified community, what we refer to as the one building community.
This to add, this is still under development. This system not finished yet, but we are working on it now. It's building many community to manage renovation of each building. As you know, some countries, like many countries, there are very beautiful building location and very good structure building, but it lack of maintenance. So this system depending on connecting this residents in that building as a mini community to discuss each other and to build through the franchise owner of the area itself. And as I told you, franchise owner of the Kemedar can connect them and get them to quote, to maintain or to renovate their building, and win-win attitude. They will pay little and they connect together to make renovation of their building.
Kemo Promo.
Kemo Promo, yes.
Kemo Promo is dedicated discount coupon platform enables real estate developers to offer discounts for some time, and the buyers all over the world can enjoy these offers by deposit of the payment by credit card or any other payment methods available in Exceed Wallet.
This promo discount platform, Kemedar. Yes, this like you know, like social platform or like Facebook exactly, but just
okay.
dedicated for real estate stakeholder. Yeah. Okay.
Kemedar, a specialized newspaper in the real estate field with innovative and new features for sorting and filtering news through the users themselves.
This also news.
Kemcard. Through this system, our users can create a prefabricated website in very easy steps. These users can publish this as their digital business card among their friends through a QR code.
It's a system specially designed for companies registered in Kemedar to help them manage bulk communication campaigns with their current or potential customers, such as mass mailings, WhatsApp campaigns, and SMS campaigns.
Okay.
Kemedar Co-Rent, an adaptable rental system tailored for co-working spaces, hotels, and shared bed rentals within apartments. It offers users the convenience to rent by the hour, day, or week, and even allows for partial space rentals.
Okay.
Core ERP.
This also under development is ERP for developers and agent. Small companies can use that as a cloud ERP system, so they can manage their operations, okay, in cloud. So they can pay like $10-20 and use our cloud ERP to manage their employees, their projects, their CRM, and so on. Is a file manager.
Users can store their important files such as their real estate contracts.
Yes, they can change like you know is like cloud editing files, cloud editing. They, for example, in a contract, and they can change the names and print that contract or invoice.
Well,
It is an integrated system for managing affiliate marketers. We will teach you all the skills and give you everything you need to be a professional affiliate marketer.
Yeah, affiliate marketing. This first affiliate marketing is specified in real estate industry.
Kemedari. It is a tool specially developed to improve the performance of users in generating their content in a professional manner in a few seconds through AI technology.
Yes, all this generation of AI technology through AI technology.
Doringa.
that.
Our customized and advanced advertising system designed to simplify the process of purchasing advertising space for companies and those wishing to advertise on Kemedar websites and systems.
Yes, very easy. They can just, we finished that slide. And now you can understand the whole idea of Kemedar to make super app. And inside this super app, MiniApps, each app has specific application. So this very important. Okay, and now we go for demo example. For that, you can see now, for example, ad property. Ad property, this adding property in Kemedar is very easy process. It's just drop menus, as you can see, okay?
Yeah.
Less than 8 minutes, any user with very little experience on the internet, he can just drop menus, as you can see here, specify location, specify country, city, state, district, the map to change the location, okay, and add all the media of the property. He can add the brochure of the property. He can add the gallery. He can add also voice over. Some people don't like to write anything, so just add voice over for voice file for that. He can add the legal document and images. We got also to make the quality of the ad is very good. We ask him to add also some images of the okay, here also he can add the pricing details. He can add the every details about the property, okay, credit term, the area, in very, as you can see here, in very simple way. He can adjust numbers, okay. And here you can see here finishing status, and is it built or not, developed or not, like this. You know, some projects is not ready yet. So, and here also the distances for the bus station, for gas station, for hospital, for anything. And seen also here, okay. You can see also he can add some tags for the company. He can add his details as an advertiser, and can add what's and here also can add his numbers, regulatory numbers, okay, like advertiser number, license number, and like this, because some companies like UEE is very, and here you can see the text is generated already with that information. He doesn't add text. And this, as you can see, in 20 languages directly. You got my boy? You got it? And also we added, he can improve that text through AI. You got my boy? So in less than 8 minutes, he can add his property with very good description, okay, through our own system, as you can see, from drop menu to text, and this text is improved with AI. He can add also by request, as you can see, add by request. He need to get apartment in specific area with some details, and so this by request forwarded to franchise owner area of the area of targets, okay. So he can get that as a by request, and then he can also add this some demo of action add project also for developers. They can we allow them to add their project or compound. They can add the project location, the project on the map, amenities of that project, all the details of the project, and assign the properties inside the account or add new property for that project. So he can add also floor plan of the project. He can add VR or AR of that project and integrating with the system. Very easy step to add their project details in all details, so it's shown or showcased in our project page, okay, on Kemedar. Here you can see, look, in the project. You can also add, you can see here buyer organizer. This for the first time, you know, when you call the people in the real estate, you got confused from many numbers and you don't know who is who, you know. This is very and this with Kanban strategy, he can organize all the properties from, you know, according the stages of the properties itself, okay. So he can get this. Yeah. Okay, you can get this, yes. According to the search property, we have more than 110 filters. You can see all the filters of the and displayed on the map, as you can see. Okay, filters of the search on Kemedar. Here also, add new course for Chemacademy, for example. Add new course is very, very easy. So any handyman, older handyman, or instructor, or you know, marketer, or anything related to real estate profession, whatever it was, soft skills like marketing or management, or hard skills like technician, electricity, plumbing, anything can be taught on Kemedar like this. You can see. So it's very in very less time, he can add his course very easily. Okay. And here you can, yes, you can see his course displayed, and he can also add YouTube video. He can do offline or online course. He can get paid for his course or free, whatever. A lot of features in that system. Add new event in Kemevent. Also here, you can see how to add event in very less time, just in 15 minutes. He can add his event and start to accept attendees for that event, whatever it was, conference, project launch, or anything related to, you know, real estate is very connected with okay. This just for, you know, for some demo, for some actions. As I told you, there are 250 actions he can do. Some important actions he can do, and any actions like this. So he can add his event. After that, we will go for ecosystem. This is the last slide now. And we, as you can see, there are in ecosystem, in our ecosystem, we have customers, and these customers have, it was individual or companies. Individuals like buyer, seller, investors, service professionals, many individuals. Any individuals want to, or is considered as a stakeholder in real estate industry, he can be benefited from our system. Also companies, real estate investment companies, real estate agencies, or real estate agent, real estate developers, all the types of the company can benefit from our ecosystem. Okay. Also manufacturer of building materials. As you know, there are some event organization companies, consultation companies, finishing companies. All of that can be benefited from. And partners is considered as a partner with capital, who are investors of Kemedar, and these shareholders in Kemedar with capital partner. And employees, and we are considering our employees are partners, because a lot of our seniors also technical partner with some of their salaries can be turned already for 10 years. This we start that development through since 10 years. And some of our seniors are technical partners with in shareholding with their contribution. And the other type of partners is franchise owners who are covering the areas of the countries. Okay, and there are system partners who are focused on the system. Each system is handled with one partner, or with, for example, event organizing system or Kemedar system is just focused by one company, which uses our network on the ground. So there are matrix strategy in our managerial system. The managerial system, we have metrics, vertical as a system, and horizontal as a geographical through our franchise owners in the area, in each area. Also, we have service providers, marketing companies, payment processors, and so, and banks, and so, who are facilitate the transactions, and success partners. After some months or some years of the every project developer or every developer, we will have exclusive contracts with that developers to promote or to market their projects all over the 35 countries. The same thing for building materials, for all the products related to real estate industry. So we will have like success partnership or exclusive contracts with that success partner. Done here. For now, you can understand more about the Kemedar and so, and so we can see how to how to help each other in that. Now you have an idea. Any question for me?
Yeah, thank you very much. This was a very, very comprehensive overview. I looked at all the materials, but with you giving me the verbal layover was really, really useful. And in my recent experience, I've worked with fundraising of a Iraqi super app, called Bali. We wanted to take to Oman. I've worked recently with a media fintech, which takes the media business, music shows, and integrate that with fintech, like credit card business, blockchain, their own digital currency, which was called the Cola coin. The company is called Take Back the Mic. I've worked with people on creating a gold-backed stable coin. I've worked with a blockchain, digital currency.
Very good. A lot of
investment bank in Australia, who's moving into the UAE. So I've recently built quite a lot of experience in this, and I've also through that journey learned a lot, right? So, for example, the media fintech I've been working with had many elements, so I helped them with fundraising. So I wrote the investment pitch deck and all the teaser documentation and so forth. And then when you kind of sit down, they had 6 or 7 different businesses inside their business, and you have a even more comprehensive, right? Because if you look at your customer base, all the stakeholders that you are covering, the types of solutions, etc. So, this is the Rolls-Royce of integrating tech and finance in the Proptech business. And in a previous life, I also worked with major international, real estate investors. So, but I'm not a property expert, but, we all kind of, you said that's the first thing that comes to mind before food is a house, so, I've listed properties, search for properties, all these things. And, so I think your value proposition is extremely extremely strong in terms of the technology component. The key question that I have is about scale up, right? Because
Yes, yes,
when I
yes,
look at your business,
yes,
you know, let's take a kind of super app like Kareem. You know, very simple.
yes,
Where did they
yes,
start? They start with kind of providing taxi services, getting people
yes,
from A to B. That's simple. Getting
yes,
pizzas delivered to their house, you know, that's
yes,
simple. Then getting medicine delivered, then getting food delivered, you know, then, you know, kind of, you know, borrowing some money, you know, so they kind of start off, but the
start
initial, the
as a
starting point is something really banal and simple. And, you know,
yeah,
I'm not even talking about, you know, they all spin-offs of WeChat. So they all start with a very simple thing. And when you kind of look at the valuations, you know, $5 billion, $10 billion for a super app that does nothing more than, you know, sending a rental car for a few kilometers to somebody's
yes,
house
yes,
to pick them up
yes,
and to deliver pizzas, you know. So when you kind of think like the real value behind it, and at some stage the chickens will come home to roost, so to speak, on a lot
yeah,
of these super apps, because you know you can't keep on valuing things on gross merchant value, you
sure,
know, if the profitability is not there. So I think, you know, you are in a much more sophisticated, much harder, high value transaction things, you know, because the Uber doesn't show up, you know, you know, you pay $5 or 5 dirhams to reserve it and you lose that or you cancel it. But with
yeah,
property, these are high stakes businesses. So my key question to you is, you know, the scale up plan, you know,
yes,
getting to, you know, getting to 100,000, getting 500,000, getting to 1 million users, and how that money starts your share of
yes,
the value that you create, because you create enormous value. You know, how does Kemedar, and at what point do you start making significant amounts of money?
yes, yes. This is very, very important question, and we think a lot in that. This is very, very important. We have two solutions for that, depending on partnership model for each, as I told you. So
Yeah,
we will be considered like technical partner for each of the app. Okay.
yeah,
And this will allow because we are ready now. So we now our challenge to find the best partner in each app. You got my point? In each,
yeah,
for example, in each country, and then under that's why we are not aiming for investment. We are aiming for partnerships. This is very
yeah,
important strategy we have to scale up, because we are very believing that the app and super app is very huge to operate just one company. For example, we are aiming to establish one company, managing company, like holding company, for
yeah,
28 companies inside each country. You got my point? So this very huge vision. But
yeah.
this can be managed as a partnership. For example, I will give you very simple example. We in Australia, for example, we have event organizer company. Okay, we have a partner who handle the country of Australia, and
Okay.
under that we have a company which handle team event. You understand me?
Yeah.
And we are preparing all infrastructure of tech inside this country, inside this event app. So this company is very focused on that, and we share the profit as a partnership. You understand
Okay.
me? So we in that vision, we be like tech partner or technical partner for each of that companies. We are giving them all the infrastructure of technology, all the infrastructure of the platform, okay? and they give us operation and managing of this, okay, according our ERP we give to them for in system focus. And on the geographical focus, we have franchise owner network. So our challenge, we have a challenge to develop partnership model in each new country we go inside. We have to have partners who are believing in partnerships and they can handle all operations in their scope. We will go, for example, in marketplace, for example, we have Kemedar. Kemedar, we have a company inside the country can handle Kemedar and marketplace like Amazon exactly, but just for real estate and building materials. This is the first thing to as a partnership, okay? And other thing, we have a scale up on the level of the operation. I mean that we will not go in. Let us say that we open in Oman tomorrow. Okay, we will not go for marketing for all 28 apps directly. We will have scaling the operation and the marketing, but the online platform will be the same. Why? Because online we will have some, but just for focusing, we will focus step by step. For example, in these 2 months, we will start with listing platform, Kemedar main system. Second 2 months, we will focus on Kemedar. Second, we develop partnership, we develop this and this and this. This take time for each one. So we have a scaling according to the app. You understand? The good thing is that we already have all infrastructure for the platform. Platform all is ready now. Just 2 systems, as I told you, Kemerino and Kimiko is not ready. And also the country and the feedback from the market, we can develop more. We have already 40 something developers in Vietnam and Bangladesh, Pakistan and Indonesia, okay? And we have 17 here in Egypt. So we have good team that can utilize all the things together. You understand me? So any advancement or any advanced things we can do, no problem. You got my point?
Yeah, no, I get it. I get this. So your approach is essentially organically driving it through existing businesses, right? So if I understand you correctly, right? So
yes.
If you go in Egypt and you go and you say,
developers, right.
Yeah, you go to a real estate brokerage, which doesn't have the name of, this.
Yes.
One of the
very good to have a small
big names.
I like you. Yes, you got the idea very fast.
And and then you say, listen, I'm going to give you a platform. We're going to share some profit, but I'm going to allow you to compete against the kind of global real estate.
No. We're not competing. No. We are integrating with all stakeholders. We do the partnership model with all of that. Yes, that's right. That's right.
Okay, no, so I thought you partner with a real, but you can partner with multiple real estate players, correct?
Yes. Okay. That's right. That's right. Okay.
Okay, because when I look, you say one of the core, the Kemedar, let's say the search platform to find buying a house, right? Let's start with that. That's the most basic real estate transaction, right?
Yeah.
You already have things in like the UAE, like Dubuzzle and Property Scout and all those things. How do you kind of establish yourself as a viable alternative? And then once somebody is looking for the property, then you link it to the finance, right? Then you need to have the banking partner. You need to have.
That's why we collect all the stakeholders. Yeah. That's why we collect all the stakeholders. He can do all the operation and meet all the stakeholders of real estate in his country or other countries. In our Kemita, for example, in our directory of the business of the real estate, and we as a partners, the 420 partner in franchise owner partner in area as an area manager, they will connect with all the area managers of Australia, of Oman, of UAE, of all the countries in franchise owner forum.
Wow. Okay.
Forum, so they can okay, I need like this and this may, coming from the from Remax, for example, or Coldwell Banker, they depending just on networking. So we connect each other. I'm sorry, I have to go to other meeting now. Just it's 30. So can we continue? Can we continue later? Maybe Thursday or next week after we can have a deeper look for that.
No, absolutely. I'd love to continue the conversation. I think we only started, right?
Sure. I'm very proud that you have also very good experience. I want to go deep, and in these 2-3 days you can brainstorming, and you can see what's collaboration agreement. As I told you, this not for fundraising or something like this. We need like partnership. Partnership with all the stakeholders of real estate, so we can find strategic partner in each country. For example, you told me about Iraq and Oman. We can find strategic partners there, so they can handle the operations in Oman or UAE. I think it will be difficult right now because we already in the process of negotiation of some people there. So UAE and Saudi is already we are finishing the agreement with that now. So Oman and any other country in the area we can discuss, and we can get the partners inside, and our model as a strategic partner as the follow. We establish the stock company inside the country. For example, in Oman, we will establish a stock company inside, okay, and we divide the shares of that company between Kemedar and the investor capital and the facilitator, okay. Kemedar it will have with all the system and with managerial offline in the country also, okay. And the capital contribution is 35%, and facilitator is 5%, and Kemedar with the managerial 60%. If the managerial moved after 1 year or something, the local partner coming to be very perfect to manage the whole operation, the 20% from the shares of the company coming from the Kemedar to the managing partner, who is the capital partner, and if he interested. Okay, so this investment strategy in each, or partnership strategy in each country. Okay.
Okay, good. So please send me an invite. I can do Thursday, and we can continue the conversation. Okay. Thank you.
Thursday is very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Abdullah. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.